everyone, welcome to another Review Room tutorial. Today we're going to be talking and continuing the discussion on the reviewer section. So the first thing that you'll notice is last time where we ended off, we were showing you what it looks like when you assume the role of a reviewer, and essentially when you do, what happens when you click on the ranking button and complete a ranking. So right now we completed one ranking here. This person has a 59 out of 70. Let's click on the click to complete button for the second application, and let's complete this one as well. So we'll change up the ranking, rank it a little differently than we did the last one, and then just type in a comment here and press submit. And as soon as we do that, basically it's going to say that the form is complete. Now we can return back to our account. So as we return back to our account, now what I'm going to see is basically that this person got a 36, this person got a 59. I'm pretty much done with my ranking. And just in case you're wondering again, why doesn't this application have a See Reference Material link? It's because this application hasn't submitted any material in particular, but I am, as a reviewer, assigned to this application, therefore I'm going to see it in the list. This one, on the other hand, does have material, and if I click on it, then I can see the individual documents, or I can just download everything in one place. I can also, at the top, click on that big download button, and that's going to just give me all the application material. Okay, so now the important thing is, remember, do not press the back button when you're assuming the role of any user. Instead, click on this link over here at the top left called Return to Your Admin Account. And when you click on that, essentially it's going to take you to back to your administration screen. Now it's working and basically logging you out as judge, logging you back as an admin, and so here we are. Okay, so in a lot of competitions, there's something that I should mention, because in a lot of competitions what will happen is that judges specifically will be assigned to everybody. So in other words, you might get 50 applications, and there's 5 judges, and all the 5 judges are going to look at all 50 applications. And the reason for that is because the judges have the capacity, and they just take on the responsibility, and there aren't that many judges. Okay, so in such a case, it would be kind of annoying to have to go in and do the assignments all in one place, right? Because then you'd have to click on assignments and one by one do lots of clicking, because click this one, select all, click this one, select all. It would be a little bit of work. So instead of that, what you can do is just scroll to the bottom here, and you see where it says assignments. Right now assignments are on. Assignments are on because the software assumes that you're going to be assigning specific applications to specific reviewers. However, if you're not doing that, what you can do is click on this drop down and turn assignments off. If you turn assignments off and then press save, something interesting is going to happen. So the interface is going to refresh, and now what you're going to see is that this application is going to have 2 people assigned to it, and so is this application. It's also going to have 2 people assigned to it, and the reason that there's 2 in total is because there are only 2 applications in the pending review round, which is the only round where these judges have a task. Okay, so and of course this person has already ranked both of those people, therefore he's done 2 out of 2, he's done 100% of those tasks. Okay, so that's in terms of the assignment section. So let's turn assignments on again and talk about a few more things. So the first thing is, sometimes you may want to send reviewers an email. So that makes sense, because what you can do is you can select, these two reviewers here. Actually, not the second one, because he's done all of his tasks. But this one in particular, I can select them and then say use selected, and then send them a plain email, because I'm not sending them account login information. I'm just sending them a plain email, and then I can do things like, hi, so and so. Why haven't you completed all your tasks? And then I can continue and send this person that email. So that's the important thing about emails. Now the other important thing here is that we have a column section, and this allows you to identify which columns you want to show. Right now, email, first name, last name, and some things like that are shown, such as the number of assignments, but we can also add in other concepts such as last login date, and you can add in that column. So there's a lot more to discuss in terms of what the reviewers section looks like, so stay tuned and we'll see you in the next tutorial.